Hey my pretties, it's me. I'm back with another video. As y'all can tell by the title, I'm gonna show y'all how to do it yourself. Cut curly high ponytail. It came out so cute. Y'all comment, like, and subscribe. Make sure y'all comment down below more video ideas. If y'all like this video, if y'all like this ponytail, comment down below and let me know that y'all like it. So yeah, let's just jump right into the video. Okay, my pretties, first things first, you want to start off with flat iron hair. Make sure you flat iron your hair really good. Put it in 4 seconds if your hair really thick like mine, and flat iron it really good. Take your time and don't rush it. Okay, after you do that, you're going to jump right into putting your ponytail where you want it. I want like a high ponytail, but not like high on top of my head. Like push back. I can't explain, like a mid ponytail. Like in the middle of my head, not at the top. So it's like a mid ponytail. Because, yeah, I just like it right there. I just love it right there. So I'm looking at it, making sure it's where I want it to be. And you just take your time, make sure you always want it, because you're going to put it in a ponytail. And that's when you're going to figure out, okay, is this where I want it? If it's not where you want it, take it back down and put it where you want it. So I'm like, yeah, this is the spot. Now that that's out the way, I'm pulling out my baby hairs. You pull out as little or as much baby hairs you want. If you don't want none, push it out to the back, sis. So I'm pulling out the baby hairs that I want. I'm pulling out my sideburns. Now I got my beeswax. That's what you're going to need first. I'm going to have all the products that I use in the description box. So I'm starting off in the back, molding my hair with the beeswax, using a lid at the base, at the root of my hair, and combing it through. Once I comb it through and I get it molded to my satisfaction, I'm gonna go over it with the got to be spray, and use a blow dryer to mold that in place. Okay, now we're in the front where y'all can see. I'm gonna mold section by section. So I'm gonna do this side, I'm gonna do the middle side, and then I'm gonna do the other side. So I'm molding this with my beeswax, pushing my baby hair out the way, and I'm combing the product through, making sure that it's laying my hair down and getting all those flyaways. And this is why I say, like, making sure that your hair flat iron good matters, because it's going, you see that lay down without even the spray, it's laying down because I flat iron my hair really good. So after you spray, you got to be spray, you comb through one more time, making sure that you hold your hair how you want it to be molded while you blow dry it, because that's gonna keep it in that spot when it's time to put your hair in a ponytail again, because you're molding your hair into place so the ponytail can last. You see what I'm saying? Yeah. So now I'm going to the middle, doing the same thing I just did. I'm molding my hair with the beeswax first and combing it through, laying my hair down, make sure I comb all the beeswax through so it just won't stay white right there, because you know beeswax is thick, y'all. Don't overdo the beeswax because it will be stuck in your hair and be hard to wash out, but you can use a good shampoo to get it out, or apple cider vinegar. But anyways, y'all see me combing the product through. Y'all see how it's laying down already? Yeah. So I'm gonna spray my got to be spray on it, and I'm still holding it. I'm gonna keep holding it while I blow dry it, because that's going to keep it molded into place. Yes, just like that. And you can blow dry it on hot, or you can use cool. It really don't matter. When I'm doing clients, sometimes I do depending on, like if I'm on a neck or something, I use cool so it won't burn them. But it all does the job. So yeah, this is me licking, trying to see what it's giving. So now I'm gonna do the second side. And I'm spraying my got to be spray, because I had already molded it, remember, just then. So and I'm molding it, and I'm holding my hair so it stay how I want it to lay down. And that got to be spray gonna make it lay down, y'all. I ain't gonna tell you no wrong. Okay, now that I got everything molded, I'm taking my ponytail down because it's molded into place, and I'm finna make the ponytail tight. You can use rubber bands. Rubber bands I feel like they better because they really have that ponytail tight and in place. But I'm using the scrunchie because I knew I was gonna keep this ponytail here long, and y'all know them damn rubber bands tear your hair and they break your hair. So I'd rather just use a scrunchie. So I'm happy because my ponytail is looking cute, and I'm using I'm double rubber banding with scrunchie in it because I'm doing a high ponytail and I want it to be firm and stay. So yeah, y'all see the meltdown. Yeah, exactly. All right, now that that's done, you're gonna braid your natural hair in a plait. Once you braid it in a plait, you're gonna use a rubber band and fold that plait and rubber band it. So it just won't be dangling. Okay, and I'm using this Wet and Wavy Maybe hair I got off Amazon. It will be in the description box below so y'all can get it. I had 2 bundles. Now that I've did the ponytail, I feel like I should have used both or at least a little more. But one was fine. It still was cute as fuck. But I would prefer it being a little thicker. So I'm using these red wrap strips. These are the best wrap strips. If you know, you know. They so thick and they don't break off fragile like the other ones. So anyways, you're gonna wrap your natural hair real tight with this wrap strip. I was playing too much, listening to music. But make sure y'all wrapping it real tight over all of your hair so you don't get no glue on your hair. And then you're gonna rubber band it in place. Whether take 1 or 2 rubber bands, don't matter. Because you don't want to get no glue on your natural hair, baby. So yeah, it's gonna look like that. I bent it like that because it's gonna be, you want it to be in place. Yeah. Yeah. Ooh, yeah, I'm happy because I'm almost done. So I got the glue with. I'm gonna put glue all just in the top of my ponytail on the wax strip. So I'm gonna put a whole bunch because yeah, with me doing it myself, I can't see for it to for you to put the glue on the hair. The glue will get everywhere. So the easiest way to do it, y'all, is put the glue on your ponytail and just wrap the ponytail like that. The damn hair's trying to give me a problem because I couldn't figure out how to do it comfortably, but I did get it. So you're gonna put your first piece on there and you're gonna let it sit for a second. And when it sit for a second, so you're gonna let it sit for a second and let it dry because that's the first part. And once it dry a little bit, you're gonna just get the wrapping. Glue is gonna get on your hand, but y'all, it rolls right off if you rub your fingers together. So, and I just added more glue because this looked like it's going fast, but it took a little time. But I just added more glue as I thought I needed it because it got a little tacky, a little dried up. So I just added more glue as I needed to, and I just wrap. It's really, really easy. I just wrap it around your hair. You just keep wrapping and so on and so forth. All right, then you're gonna take a piece of the back of your other weave and wrap it around the base of your hair. Comb it out. Don't do too much because this is synthetic hair, y'all. Don't do the most. And you're gonna wrap around the base of your hair so they don't see the rubber band. That's the whole thing. So it ain't giving yet, y'all. It look crazy right now, but we finna cut. I ain't even cut it in no kind of way. I just cut it. So yeah. You cut it to the length you want. If you want it shorter, go shorter. If you want it longer, let it be longer. I wanted it like on my neck kinda, so I ain't want it too short. But I was like, it's alright. See, like y'all see how but I'ma fluff it out. So, but y'all see how I'm like, I could have added a little more hair. But once I fluff it out, it's gonna come out just how it's supposed to do. And that's what I'm doing right here. Trying not to manipulate it too much, but still fluff it out good enough. So it give me the look that I'm going for. And actually this is some pretty good hair. It was like it's like, matter of fact, it's like $12 if you go in the hair store. It's like $13 if you go in the hair store, and it's like $20 on Amazon. So yeah. It is some stragglers in my ponytail, so I'm gonna clean that up. But y'all can see, I'm just looking at it, trying to examine what needs to be done. I'm going over finna clean up that little scraggles. All right, now it's time for the best part. You're gonna curl your baby hairs. You're gonna curl away from your face. If you got some mini flat irons, use those. These are by Baby Bliss, Baby Bliss, whatever. Or what? If you don't got no mini flat irons, girl, use the big ones. Just flat iron your baby hairs away from your face. And then once you do that, you gonna swoop them. You gonna swoop them before you put product on them though first. I wish I hurry up. Ooh, it don't take that long to curl on baby hair, girl. All right, so now this you're gonna use a little bit and put it just at the base, and you're just gonna swoop it into position. Pooh. It's real easy, and you gonna. I just can't even explain, baby. You just swoop it into however you want your baby hair to fall. Just using a little bit of product at the root of your hair, and really using your hand motion and curling it. Really do help it do all the hard work. Especially if you got 4C hair like me, it do all the hard work about your baby hair, making sure they lay down. I forgot the name of the extra, but I will put it in the description. All right, y'all. As y'all can tell, the ponytail is giving everything that it's supposed to get. I was a little scared when I cut it because I just cut it, but guess what? It came out to be everything. If y'all like this video, make sure y'all like the video. Make sure y'all comment down below and tell me that y'all like the ponytail. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel because y'all don't want to miss when I drop videos weekly. And make sure y'all follow me on all of my social media platforms. And hopefully I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.